everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're on day 12 of our Declutter Madness challenge. So the challenge for today is going to be our paper clutter. So this is our final day and I definitely have some areas in my home that could use some work. So let's go ahead and get started. So one area that I accumulate a lot of paper clutter from is couponing. So each week we get a newspaper, and in that newspaper I get inserts with coupons in them. And then I also get inserts from different family members, so I can accumulate a lot of paper clutter really quickly. So one area that I want to go through and reorganize is my coupon insert pile here. So what I want to do is take these inserts, I want to sort them by date and put them in this file folder, and then just kind of get that reorganized. So let's go ahead and do that now. Okay, so you can see here I have a sticky note on the front. It's easy to remove it and replace it in a couple months, but I have February, March 2019 written on that, and then I have all of the pockets labeled by date, so I know where to stick the inserts from that week, and it's easy to go back and pull out what I'm looking for if I would need to find something else. Okay, so this is what it looks like now that I've got it all filed away. So I have everything sorted by date. It's really easy. I can go back and easily pull out something if I'm looking for it. And I do hang on to these for 2 months, and then once they've expired, I do recycle them. So another area of paper clutter for me is magazines. I really don't have that many. These just have accumulated over time. If you've been following my Declutter Madness journey, on day 5 when we did my nightstand, we pulled all these magazines out. So if you haven't seen that video, go back and watch it. I've got it linked down below. But I want to go through, sort through these magazines, see if there's any articles or any recipes or anything like that in these magazines that I want to hang on to, and if not, I'm going to recycle the rest. So let's go ahead and do that now. Okay, so this is another area in my home that I have a lot of paper clutter. This is usually where my mail, my receipts, and those kind of things kind of collect here. So I want to go ahead and sort through all these papers, see what I need to hang on to, see what I can let go of, and then just get everything reorganized. Okay, so another area of paper clutter for me are receipts. So I do kind of have a system that I use. I just use plain envelopes and I write the month and the year on the front of the envelope, put all those receipts in there from that month, and that way if I have any returns or if I need to go back and look at anything, I can easily go pull that receipt. And then I do hang on to those for a little while, and then after about a year I go ahead and throw away everything in the envelope. Now if there's any receipts that I need to keep longer than that, I will put those in a separate place. So let's go ahead and do that now. Okay, so the last thing I want to talk about is digital clutter. I think almost everybody has digital clutter and they don't even realize it. So for me, I have emails, I have apps I'm no longer using, text messages, photos and videos. These are all things that I need to clear up space on my devices. So I want to go through, sort through my emails, delete anything I no longer need. If there's anything I can unsubscribe from, I will. I want to go through my apps, see what I'm no longer using, back up my photos and videos, and just free up some digital space. Alright, so there you have it. Day 12 is done. Our paper clutter has been reorganized and I'm just so happy with the way everything turned out. I have so much peace of mind now knowing that everything has a home and I have a system put in place, so when paper clutter comes in, I know exactly what to do with it. So if you're still watching this video at this point, if you could leave me a smiley face emoji in the comments down below so that I know you're still watching. And if you've been following my challenges, thank you so much for watching. If you haven't seen all the challenges, I will leave those linked down below so you can go check those out. And please be sure to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any videos I have coming out in the future. And I will see you in the next video. Have a great day. Bye.